this is the WORKPRO 3/8 angle ratchet cordless. So this is the manual that I received. There's advertisement, they have flashlights, and then this is the charger, and then this is the charger holder, so you will connect here, and then this is the battery. So there's an option only one battery, and then you can order 2 battery, but you have to add 10 pounds. So if you charge it, just insert this, and then there's an indicator, red and then green. If it's green, full charge. So, and then there's also with sockets. So there's a 3/8 extension, and then looks really cool, really good, like plated. And then this is my ratchet. So it's heavy, and then you will insert this in here, and then we'll try if there's a charge. So there's a lock in here. So here is it. So if you want to reverse, just click this one. So I really like this, unlike the other model on eBay, or let's say in Amazon, because this one is stand about 12 inch, more than 12 inch and 1/4, something like that. And then sound, feel like more than 1 kilograms. It's really handy also. So and then reverse, and then this is the extension that I told you. So you can use 3/8 or 1 or 1/4. So this is the extension of 1/4. So 3/8 to 1/4, or you can buy also 3/8 to 1/2 to strong. I paid 74 pounds for this, so I hope it will serve well if I will use this to fix the car in the car. So most of this I can see that they use this especially when they change the clutch. So it's very useful, this stuff. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and then don't forget to like and subscribe, and then share my channel. Thank you very much.